Welcome to Texas by Texas, the quick, easy, and secure way to take care of government to-dos. Today we'll be showing you how to renew your vehicle registration online. Provided by the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles, this service is for Texans who meet the following renewal criteria. Your vehicle registration expiration date is in 90 days or less, and you have a passing emissions inspection if required by your county. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to create a TXT account. Cruise on over to texas.gov/TXT or download the TXT app. Once you're there, enter your email and the code sent to your inbox. We use this multi-factor authentication feature to keep your info secure. Create a password, enter your phone number, and the verification code sent to your phone. We'll ask you for a few details, like your home address. Once we find your driver license, we'll link it to your TXT account. Quick sidebar, your TXT account is just for you. Kids 16 and older or other family members need their own account. And you're up and running. Before you can renew your registration, you need to first link your vehicle to your TXT account. On your TXT dashboard, open the menu at the top of your screen and tap Vehicle Registration Services. Or you can tap Add Another in the My Agencies section. Next, select Texas Department of Motor Vehicles. Enter your vehicle details, like the license plate number and last 4 digits of the VIN, and click Next. Once the system finds your vehicle, confirm that the information is correct. Then, click Link Vehicle to add it to your TXT account. And just like that, your vehicle is linked. You'll also receive a confirmation email. Make sure to keep that message for your records. With your account all set up, renewing your vehicle registration is easy. On your homepage, under your to-do list, or on your agency page, tap Start Renewal. Keep in mind, this option will only appear if you're eligible to renew. Check the requirements and confirm your county. Enter your mailing address. Review your order and add a donation if you'd like. Make sure to pick your vehicle's major color. The accent color is optional for features like stripes. And once you're ready, it's time to pay. No card on file? Enter one now. We use secure payment processing, so your info stays safe and sound. Once your renewal has been approved, the Department of Motor Vehicles will send your registration sticker. It should arrive in about 14 days. Print this page for your records and keep an eye out for a confirmation email. Your receipt can serve as proof of registration for up to 31 days. Want to track your sticker? Check your TXT dashboard. No worries if you don't see it right away. It can take up to 2 business days to update. Need to tackle more government to-dos? Check out our other video tutorials. Start your TXT account today.